So Russian Empire. Russian Empire across Asia and into North America from 1721 to 1924. Vladimir Lenin from 1870 to 1924. Communist leader, control in 1917. Union of Soviet Socialist Republic 1922 formed. 1999. Collapse of Soviet Union, USSR subdivided into 15 Union republics. Third most populous state, 70% of land surface. Russia largest republic. Russian accumulation. Vestiges of Russian rule, language, food, tendency to autocrat, leader and government control. This is the map of Russian Empire, spheres of influence. Soviet economic geography. Economic is self-sufficiency, collectivized agriculture, heavy industry, lagging light industry, consumer goods, high-tech products, centralized state control, little private property, natural resources, mean of production, environment protection has less importance than industrialization. Breakup of Soviet Union. Gorbachev in 1985. Glasnost, freedom of speech and express. Perestroika, restructuring of economy and politics. Events and policy could not be controlled. 15 new countries, economic struggles. Development in Russia, economic challenges. Putin from 2000 to 2012. Regional independence battle. Chechnya, privatization of state-owned economy, slow progress. Advantage, educated workforce, natural resources, oil, natural gas, scientific institution. America, US Empire. From 1959, all territory granted statehood. Hawaii, Alaska, Cuba, Panama Canal surrender in 1999. In 1989, invention, island, Puerto Rico. In 1952, free Commonwealth, resource power, densely populated, low per capita income to no US voting right. The biggest military spenders, defense cost, June 8th, 2011. On June 8th, China top military brass confirmed that the country's first aircraft carrier refurbishment of an old Russian carrier will be ready shortly. Only a handful of nations operate carriers, which are costly to build and maintain. Indeed, Britain has recently decommissioned its sole carrier because of budget pressure. China's defense spending has risen by nearly 200% since 2001 to reach an estimated $190 billion in 2000, though it has remained fairly constant in terms of its share of GDP. America's own budget crisis is promoting, though discussion about its defense spending, which is at the nearly $700 billion is bigger than the next 17 countries combined. The biggest military spends: China, Britain, France, Russia, Japan, Germany, India, Italy, Brazil, South Korea, Australia, Turkey. So the biggest is Saudi Arabia. Cultural imperialism, systematic reduction of native culture was deliberated and sometimes violent. Elimination of native language, style of dress, law, imposition of Western culture, elites, both native and colonial, elevate status of Western colonizing culture, including language, manners, and food. Self-westernization, Japan, China, Turkey. Internal colonization, Tibet in China, Siberia in Russia, Western province of China. Western today, Western race and lifestyle as status symbol. Role of media, implanting Western culture. TV program, news coverage, movies, videos. Tourism. Elite global move freely from west throughout the world for pleasure and recreation. Education. Elites generally attend top Western university in France, Europe, and USA. Take home Western attitudes. America's role today. Military power. Role of global peacekeeper. Sole superpower. Economic power. 1/4 of world economy. Popular culture. Most recognized brand. Challenging local traditions. Baseball in Japan, Cuba, Dominion Republic. Political influence. Trade agreement. UN Security Council. So this is all about America and Russian empires. Hope you enjoy the lecture. Please subscribe our channel. Thanks.